Can you give me an example of something you might have learned in class that the planetarium helped you think about maybe in a new way?
It's like about the rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphosis, how they made,
How they went
from.
I understand many things about science from there.
Okay, well let me ask about that. So what's one of the science things that you found most interesting that you probably will
The Big Bang. The Big Bang, when he saw how Big Bang happened, it was the most interesting one in the videos.
Yeah.
I remember about the planets and how the atom work, and we can how many things are made of atom. Everything are made of atom and there are water where there are water made of atoms, and in one drop of water there are million of atoms, and that's how I remember it.
Yeah, it's pretty surprising, isn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah. Did you think about that and study that before in school?
No.
Kind of like things that were surprising or unusual?
Yeah, first time in the rocks, we don't understand much. When we go to Planetarium, we understand much and we get more emotions and more thinking, we might understand more things.
When in the rocks, we have to learn about the fossil. And first, we see each different living thing from long time ago that is in the fossil, and we watch it and then we look what kind of fossil it look like. It makes it easier to understand than reading the book. Like it show the images that to explain the data.
Okay.
Like it understand more and it helps you more to learn about rocks, and we learn more things and we go every time. That's why you understand more. And our English is not perfect, but we learn that way. And we learn more words from that if you go to Planetarium.
It will be like the birth of the solar system, like it started the nebula and explosion and how everything started forming, like when the gases start going around and the planets started forming, and everything was so clear for us. For the planetarium, and then after the planetarium, they were talking about it, they were remember things and talking, and some people explain to others because some students doesn't understand that much English, so some students explain to others in their language. So like 1 or 2 days they were talking about the same thing, and Mr. Book do the same thing to us.
The fossils, because I learned a lot of things of fossils and I didn't know before.
Okay. Can you tell me an example of something that kind of made it helpful when you were in the planetarium? What happened in there that made it easier for you to learn about fossils?
The videos.
Okay, the fossils came alive.
And explain and how they changed to cemetery and the things.
I would remember the most is the rocks, the rock cycles and how it's formed, like an intrusive rock or exclusive rocks.
Extrusive.
Extrusive rocks.